Today I'm going to show you a few of my favorite movements to alleviate back and sciatic pain. All you need is a floor or even a yoga mat and a chair. The first thing we're going to do is transverse abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. To start off, we're going to breathe in through the belly and let it expand like a balloon. So instead of breathing up here, we are breathing in and really filling that belly up slowly. Then as we exhale, our belly is going to contract as we use our transverse abdominal muscles, which are the muscles that run along the side of our abs, kind of like a corset, to bring that belly back in as we exhale. At the same time, we're going to do a little pelvic tilt, and we're actually going to exhale from underneath up. I like to make it like a or a noise as I slowly let that air out of that balloon. Okay, ready? Okay, so how does that relieve back pain? Well, we're strengthening our core muscles and our transverse abdominals, and that is actually to take that pain all the way, the stronger that this area gets. Next up, we have a seated pigeon stretch. As we're sitting, we're going to take one of our legs and fold it over the other leg. We are then just going to gently push down and really feel that stretch in our piriformis muscle, which is right in this glute muscle here. You can practice your breathing as you're sitting here. To intensify this movement a little bit more, we're going to pretend there's a string pulling our sternum slightly forward. Oh, can you feel that good stretch in your piriformis? Although sciatic pain is normal during pregnancy, doing movements like this where we release that piriformis will actually help alleviate sciatic nerve compression and relieving that sciatic pain. The next movement we have is the cat-cow. This movement will not only roll out the spine and relieve back pain, but it will also work on strengthening your deep transverse core muscles. So first, we're going to go into all fours. We're going to take a deep breath in as we lower our belly, really creating that nice curve. As we breathe out, we're going to push our back up and really pull those shoulder blades apart. If we want to go from that last exercise, we're in that tabletop, we're just going to make sure that our toes are pointed and our hips are nice and wide. We're going to push our hips back, sitting onto our toes, and really walk our hands out until we get that nice deep stretch. We're then going to move our hands back a bit as we slide our hips through, legs come apart, and sitting in to that nice deep stretch. We can go from side to side to really get that stretch through our hips. We're then move back, pushing in, toes come back together, sitting onto our feet. Walking those hands out, and then once again, slowly pushing through, feet come out, really sitting to those hips and opening them up nice and wide. The last movement is called a tail wag, and it does look a bit funny, but it's super effective for relieving that back pain. We're going to go into all fours again and engage those deep core muscles. We're going to gently wag our tailbone back and forth. You can actually feel your lower back loosening. For more pre- and postnatal tips and tricks, please hit the subscribe button to be updated with any new videos that have been uploaded. You can also follow me at ambermarie_pt as I post regular educational content there.